Hello everybody, my name is Rick and welcome to my garden. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're at a different location this time. I'm actually at a family member's. I've come up to pick up some things and borrow a piece of their equipment. Now the reason I'm up here primarily is I'm thinking about carrots. Now they're due to be sown I say within the next 3-4 weeks. So I'm really prepping for that right now. And I've learned with carrots that you need very fine soil. If there's anything in a little stone or anything like that, they'll stunt and they'll die off wherever they go, and that's not something we're after. We want really thin, long carrots. Now obviously we won't be able to apply this in the ground in the garden due to the nature of the soil, but the raised beds we bought and some other buckets and not buckets, what are they called? My mind's gone. But pots and stuff that I've acquired, that's where they'll go, and possibly parsnips as well, I'm not sure. Although I've heard the parsnips aren't that bothered, but definitely for carrots. Now, how we're going to do that, we've got a 75 litre bag of compost, and we're going to riddle that through using a homemade device which we employed down on the community allotments for a good number of years. Now obviously most of you probably know what a riddle is, the big round things with some holes in it. Now that's fine for small scale, for pots and stuff like that, but down at the allotments we had 20 foot by 4 foot beds, which was 3.5-4 foot tall, so obviously that would take forever. So what we've come up with, I think it's my father actually built it. It's a homemade riddle. It covers a wheelbarrow, so let's go and have a look at it. So this is what we've got here. It's basically made with old wood, pallet wood and stuff like that, with supports underneath. These are some non-aluminium metal bars just supporting the mesh, and all it is 5mm just normal meshing, cheap meshing, enclosed in a wooden frame and designed to the size of fit over a barrel, not barrel. So yeah, what we'll do, we'll show you what we're going to do, give a bit of a demonstration, and yeah, we'll get on with it. So what we've got is a 75 litre bag of compost from where did they go? Paul Green Nurseries. And what we're going to do, we're going to riddle this through onto the riddle, and we're going to put the riddle soil into a separate bag, and that's going to go into the pots and the raised beds, and the stuff that we get off it is going into in another bag, which is going to go into the beds on the ground at home. So yeah, let's do it quickly. So what we're going to do, this compost is pretty hard to riddle. It's going to be 4 scoops out of the bag. Like so. But this doesn't have to be compost, you can do this with any soil. Any ground soil, garden soil, anything like that. And all we're going to do is just run your hands over it. All the fine stuff will be in the barrel underneath, and all the big bits, what you don't want in, will be on the top. It does really hurt your arms when you're not used to it, but it's a good workout anyway. Right. And you can see the difference. You can see that. I'll put a picture on anyway once I've finished, but yeah, that's the difference you can get with just riddling soil. So there you have it, 475 litre bag of compost riddled through. Nice and fine compost there for carrots. Now what we've done with the rest of it is I put it in here for now, but I will bag this up. This is perfectly good compost. This isn't going to go to waste, but for carrots it's not what we want, because my understanding is when carrots start to grow and they start to root, if they hit something like this, instead of going straight through it like most other plants would, they'd shoot off and either start going in a different direction, which is not something we want. So that is perfectly good compost, but what we're going to do with that instead is use it on other beds and in pots, potatoes and stuff like that, which doesn't really matter. So yeah, it did start raining, but luckily it didn't rain hard enough for me to stop, so I managed to get that bag done. So what I'm going to do now is bag the rest of that up so we're ready for when we want to do the carrots. Bag the waste up, and I've got some other bits I need to do at home. If the rain doesn't get any heavier, I shall see you soon. If not, it'll be a different clip. Hey guys, and welcome back. And as you can tell, this is not the same date of the recording. The rain did not let up. We've actually had quite a few days of heavy rain, so I could not actually get a recording out to you. So this is the outro for the video. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy it and you picked up a few things. Like I said, we used to do this at the community allotments for every one of our beds. It just made the soil really easy to work with, really easy to weed. They'll just pull up at nothing, and even just planting, it's so easy. But like I said, you can do it with any soil. You can do it with compost. You can do it with your garden soil, and it just helps aerate the soil so it doesn't clump together, and it's really nice. But yeah, the reason we do it with carrots, as I said, is hopefully, theoretically, we should get long, nice carrots without anything interfering, which we will see later on in the season. So yeah, that is all from me, guys, for this video. If you did enjoy it, hit that like button. If you enjoy the content and want to follow along on this journey, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to know when I next go live. No, when I next post and upload. But until next time, guys, thank you very much for watching. It's been a pleasure. Take it easy.